The repo yard in the sky. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Yeah, it's finally got. I love the door that doesn't match.
Yep.
The AI knew to add the mismatched door. The bumper's still on though, so that's inaccurate.
Yeah.
It's all downstream from the fact that they approve anybody.
Yeah. To be fair, it's not really the Altima's fault. The car itself.
It's price competitive. It offers similar features to similar prices. The credit scores of Altima drivers are significantly different than the credit scores of Camry drivers, even though they're both mid-sized sedans coming from Japan.
The people who just decide not to make their car payment that month are also the same people who decide not to change their oil.
Or decide not to use their signal.
So a Nissan executive recently said the Altima would, quote, soon depart. The reports interpreted that statement to mean that the Altima would be going forever. Apparently, Nissan came out to clarify. They issued a statement saying the Altima remains an important part of its lineup, which tells me they've got a lot of Altimas they still need to sell.
Yeah.
Specifically, they said it would introduce a 2027 model vehicle, not an all-new vehicle, but just
2027.
it would have at least 2027. We'll see, but I don't think the Altima is long for this world. No official model year production ending date's been announced. But what I want to know, years from now, the Altima is dead and gone. What is the subreddit that will replace just Altima things or Nissan drivers?
It'll still be Nissan drivers. Half of that stuff's Muranos.
What would effectively replace the Altima? Now, these used ones will still be on the road for a while, so you'll still get lots of Altima content.
The Versa.
The Versa.
Or the Sentra.
Yeah.
Nissan Sentra will just be the new Altima.